Hey y'all, it's your girl Dominique. Welcome to Dom Budgets. Today I am doing a cash stuffing seeking funds video of $700. So first we're going to get started with my personal wallet. I hope everyone is having a good day today. Oh, and I got my nails done, y'all. Super cute. Fall, of course. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my nails. Okay, so I had $1 left in this entire wallet, so I'm going to put this probably in my snowball dip. I'm just going to set that to the side for now. Personal is going to get $350. October 21st is my birthday. Yay. So I'm putting aside $350 for myself so I can treat myself. Yes, I'm having a spa day for myself. I take a few days off from work as well. It's always good to treat yourself. So personal is going to get 1720s. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 110. Make sure this is 350, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 50. That is 50. And I just ordered some more cash envelopes. I ordered a few for my personal wallet. And then I ordered also some new ones. So I'm excited for those to come. They actually, you see that? I can't even close it. But yeah, they're supposed to be here tomorrow. So I'm excited for that. Okay, groceries is going to get 620s, 120 in all. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 20, 40, 60, 81, 120. Gas is going to get 70. So that's 320s and 110. 1, 2, 3, 110, 20, 40, 60, 70. Tithe is going to get 50, 2 20s and a 10, 20, 40, 50, 20, 40, 50. Comment down below if y'all have a birthday in October as well. I would like to see who all shares the same birthday month as myself. And I believe this is it for this wallet. And it is. So that's personal. Next, we're going to do sinking funds. Emergency funds is going to get 50, so that's 2 20s and a 10. 20, 40, 50, 20, 40, 50. So that should be 2. So that's 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. So that's 200 in sinking funds. I mean, not sinking funds, emergency funds. Car maintenance is going to get 20. So the pen went out on me. Oh no. There we go. So that's 20, so that's 160, and it's getting 120. That's 1, 20, 40, 50, 60. That's 160. Medical is getting 15. As you can see, this is empty. I had a dental appointment this past weekend. I had to get 2 fillings, and I had to pay a lot out of pocket, y'all. I had to take money out of my snowball debt. Also this as well. That's getting 15, so that's 110 and a 5. 15. Travels, nothing. Home decor, nothing. Gifts, nothing. Self-care, nothing. Business, it's getting 20. So that's 35. Yeah, 35. And that's getting a 20. 20, 30, 35. Car registration is going to get 15. I think I'm going to change how I distribute my tips money too. I'm probably going to start stuffing that as well, but we'll see. Oh shoot. 8. That's 8. So 15. That's getting 8. So that is pretty much it for this video. I will be doing a cash tipping video. I just pretty much saved up my tips for the past, what, 3 weeks. It's starting to get a little slow at work, so I just wanted to wait until I have had enough to where I feel it's content worthy. But yeah, this is it from my cash stuffing video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, and I will see y'all guys on my next one. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.